This woman put this salt in her shampoo before showering. Look what happens minutes later. One of the best ways to take advantage of magnesium naturally is through the use of Epsom salts, a magnesium sulfate crystals formula that is used as a natural treatment not only as a magnesium supplement but with several positive health effects. If your hair becomes greasy quickly, you may want to try this trick. 1. Add a handful of Epsom salt to your normal shampoo. 2. Wash and condition hair as you normally would. Alternatively, a more advanced treatment of salt may be attempted to improve its volume to the hair. 3. Mix the Epsom salt with your conditioner, heat the mixture on the stove and then massage from its roots to the tips. 4. Soak for 20 minutes before washing. 5. The treatment works to avoid the open tips and should increase the volume of the hair. What else can Epsom salts be used for? Attends. 1. Massaging the skin by gently exfoliating it with a handful of Epsom salts and a spoonful of bath oil removes dead skin cells. You can use baby oil and it is very useful in difficult areas such as heels and elbows. 2. Add half a teaspoon of Epsom salts to your face cleansing cream and use it at night before bedtime. 3. Apply a paste of Epsom salts and water to deflate muscle pains, bruises and congested breasts. 4. If we stick a splinter in a foot or hand, submerging the area in water with Epsom salts will cause the spine to come out to the surface so we can extract it. 5. For skin itching, you can make a compress by dipping a cloth into a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts and applying it over the itchy area.